5, 6, 7, 8.
There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch, is bringing me out the dark. Finally, I can see you crystal clear. Go ahead and sell me out, and I'll lay your ship bare. See, I'll leave with every piece of you. Don't underestimate the things that I will do. There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch, and it's bringing me out the dark. The scars of your love remind me of us. They keep me thinking that we almost had it all. The scars of your love, they leave me breathless. I can't help feeling we could have had it
This dance is Rolling in the Deep, choreographed by Maggie Gallagher. It's a 64 count 2-wall line dance. Section 1, starting with the left foot, toe and heel and cross and heel, now facing 10:30, and kick and touch, bump forward, back. Section 2, left coaster, step, still facing 10:30, step forward, ronde and hitch left as you make a 5/8 turn to the right to face 6, step forward, left, right, step, lock, step. Section 3, step forward, pivot a half turn, left step forward, triple a full turn, right stepping left, stomp right, forward mambo. Section 4, touch and touch, sailor, quarter turn left, right samba, left samba. Section 5, rock forward, recover, triple a full turn right, rock forward, recover, half turn left, half turn left. Section 6, coaster step, walk forward, right, left, step forward, pivot a half turn left, step and walk forward, right, left. Section 7, point, hitch, cross, side rock, recover, behind, side, cross. Last section, side rock, recover, sailor, quarter turn right, syncopated rocking chair, rock forward, recover, rock back, recover, cross, back, heel, together. And you start over. Now let me go over the dance for the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and that's the whole dance.